Dear viewers and all my esteemed subscribers, I am Mostafa from Ornate Pixels. Welcome you all to today's video on LED TV repair. So let's get started. Some horizontal lines or bars appear on the left side of the screen and there are no pictures, no graphics on the screen. So stay with me for 2 minutes to learn something new from this heterogeneous video. Look here, VGL voltage is minus 5 volts, okay. VGH only 6.5 volts, but here it will be around 24 volts. Dear friends, I have checked and ensured no short circuit are anywhere. So I guess VGH voltage is not output properly from the DC to DC converter IC. From this board, you can take the VGH voltage. Only the inductor needs to be made. This core can be collected from discarded CRT TV boards or SMPS circuit. The size of the core is mentioned here. If it is slightly small or big, there is no problem. But the number of turns should be fixed. The circuit diagram is here. It is only for VGH. And if you need it, here is the VGH, VGL and VCOM circuit diagram. Here are some instructions. The name of the website is Ornate Pixels. The link is in the video description. Okay, let's connect this module now. So first, connect 12 volt supply here. Then VGH 24 volts should be adjusted by VR. 24 volts, very nice. Okay, now connect the 12 volt input from the Ticon board. Then ground to ground and VGH to VGH. Before making this connection, disconnect the VGH test point from the IC. Okay, now let's check the TV. Dear friends, subscribe to the channel and press the bell button to get more videos. Like, comment, share please. Thank you so much.